Rob Frazier here. Perpetual Traffic Plan, Day 4. Getting into social media. I hated social media for the longest time because I'd get on there, waste a lot of time, talk to a lot of people who waste my time, get pitched every 5 seconds, different opportunities, get spammed in Facebook groups, the whole deal. So that being said, it wasn't until, and yes, that is my dryer beeping in the background. I don't know if it's coming across the video here, but just that's my little disclaimer. I work from the house, so there you go. So social media, I hated it for the longest time until I learned how to leverage it the correct way. Meaning, until I got a daily method of operation that I could follow that would cut through the crap, that would allow me to find people who are actually interested in what I am promoting, not to be counterpitched, and having a way that would just make it easier for me. And I got that through 3 products that I'm going to recommend here. The Perpetual Traffic Plan Day 3, where I talk a little bit about Max Steingart's Endless Free Leads. That product is more so geared towards talking to general people and just finding out if they are open to affiliate marketing. These products that I'm recommending today will, in my opinion, eliminate the need to talk to everybody, because you're not necessarily, granted you can build a business talking to everybody, but if you need to get started fast, there's certain ways of positioning your personal profile. There's certain things you could do on a daily basis, and there's certain scripts you can use to run people through to make this super simple and only talk to people who already have experience in marketing, which makes things a little bit easier. Now, there's nothing against bringing someone who has no experience into affiliate marketing. However, if someone has experience, it's a little bit easier. If you're dealing with people who have no experience, then those people you want to use the Max Steingart's Endless Free Leads stuff on. And you want to recommend that to those people. But when you're dealing with people who have been around the block a few times, these 3 products is what you really want to be focusing on. And so I apply my same framework. I learn something new every single day. I go back through some of these trainings and apply it to my own business. So that being said, let's get into it. The first product is from My Lead System Pro. The first 2 products are from My Lead System Pro, and they're both free, and the links for everything will be underneath this video. The first is a daily method of operation. If you are logging on social media and wasting your time, you need a daily method of operation. You need to cut through the crap, eliminate all the extra distractions, log in, do what you need to do to grow your network of the right people, and get off of social media. This first product will show you a daily method of operation that you can immediately start to implement. The only people that you're going to find that are really serious about affiliate marketing are people who are already in affiliate marketing. So a part of this training teaches you how to find those people who are already in the area, or already in the industry, I guess I should say. The second product, again free, it will show you how to turn your profile so you can attract people who are serious. So these products work hand in hand. If you follow the daily method of operation, you're going to have new people seeing your profile. And if they come to your profile and they see you complaining about politics or just negative or just all over the place talking about a bunch of crazy stuff, they're not going to take you serious, and they're not necessarily going to want to do business with you. I mean, you can save your own personal opinions, ideals, belief for your own personal profiles, but if you're on social media to make money, then you want to apply the things you're going to learn here. So these 2 products, the daily method of operation, it's called Limitless Leads. You can opt in, get the product for free. Profile Profits. So the first product will give you a daily method of operation to follow. The second product will show you how to set up your profile so when you do the daily method of operation and people come to your profile to check you out to see if you're somebody that they can take serious, you want to make sure it's in line. You're not overtly trying to sell. You're not just super negative. You see what I'm saying? It's like a healthy balance. You don't want to be like all about your business on your business profile. You want to mix that up. And lastly, we have some scripts to run people through. So it works hand in hand. 1, 2, 3. So number one, you have a daily method of operation you start to follow. That will attract people to come check you out. And once they come check you out, you want to put your best foot forward and have your profile in line and in order. The last piece is when people actually reach out to you, and they will if you follow the daily method of operation and you have your profile in line. The last piece, hey, I'm interested in what you're doing. Can you tell me a little bit more about it? What are you doing? However they come, however they approach you. The last piece is having some scripts, some powerful scripts to run people through, to take them to the finish line, to take them to the close. And we have something called Black Ops Underground Millionaire Mentoring. It's a group created by Darren Little and Ari Maccabi. Hopefully I'm saying his last name correctly. These two guys, confirmed multimillionaires who've done it through affiliate marketing, and they have daily direct mentoring in their groups. I do as well. However, I always like to connect people to my mentors so that way they can get it straight from the horse's mouth. And that's this last piece, Millionaire Mentoring, Black Ops Underground. Now, I will say that Black Ops Underground, to get access to it, they've connected that, or they use the program Exodus Elite. So what they've done is you have Exodus Elite, which is a separate affiliate marketing member-to-member direct sales opportunity. And what they do is for everyone who joins at the highest level in Exodus Elite, which is a $1,000 level, they have the Black Ops Underground training as a bonus for that, if that makes sense. If that's kind of going over your head, just watch the video. There's going to be a link underneath this video. You can click, you can opt in, and you'll learn about it. The point is, they have the affiliate marketing program Exodus Elite, and at the highest level, for people who join the highest level, they'll get access to the Millionaire Mentoring Facebook group, and the guy goes live like every day, like 2, 3, 4 times a day, mentoring. And it's simply a matter of going through that training, and once you get access to that, you'll get access to the scripts, you'll get access to everything. Talking about, I'm watching my language here because I don't want to just share the information that they have because it's proprietary and it's the bonus for joining at that level. But the stuff is powerful, and it's simply a matter of following the daily method of operation, setting up your profile so people take you serious, and when they start conversations with you, run them through the script. Just 1, 2, 3. That's if you want to do this strictly on social media. I obviously have this video, which is content, and I do paid traffic and other things like that. But if you just want to do this on social media, those are the 3 steps, and those are my highest recommendation of products and trainings for social media marketing. It's just that simple. Follow the daily method of operation. Don't waste time. Who cares about cats and politics and everything else? Get your profile in order. And then when people reach out to you, because they will, if you're doing steps 1 and 2 correctly, run them through the close. And the more people, you run them through the script. The more people you run through the script, the more people you take to the close, take to the finish line, the more money you're going to make. Just that simple. So that being said, links to all 3 will be below the video. And I don't know what more to say. I'm putting everything, all of these trainings are stuff that I learn on a daily basis. I apply, I get results, and I just document and share, and I just keep doing this. And it's just, my biggest thing is I just wish more people would get it, because it really is simple. It's not always easy to do. That's why you got to work on your mindset. Stay tuned to day 7 where I talk about mindset. But it really is that simple. It's just a matter of plugging into people who are already doing this. So that being said, wrapping this up, information and links will be below, and I'll see you in the next one.